We beat them by almost half.
Lana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Tira na si Aquino. Babap Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Ligaspi, he has redeemed himself.
One, the hustler, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes, yes!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Babap for three. Martin for Babap Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Ayun yun. Bahala na kayo.
Not for three. Come on.
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong bat.
Good afternoon mga kasrog! Welcome sa Day 18 ng Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasarog pa! Live na live tayo mga kasrog dito sa napakagandang venue ng Kasiguran Gymnasium para sa ating doubleheader matchup for today. Thank you to the local government of Kasiguran headed by Honorable Mayor Maria Mines Hamor and sa ating butihing Governor Boboy Hamor sa pagpahiram ng napakalinis at napakagandang venyong ito. Matutunghayan natin ang bakbakang Castilla with a 2-2 standing against Pilar who has a dominating 3-1 standing. I am Angelo Espinosilia, your weekend warrior. A pleasure to take you to the action of this game along with our veteran resident basketball commentator na si Sir John Bachelor. Sir John, good afternoon po.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Sir Jello. Napaka naman ang pakilala sa akin. Medyo na-pressure ako doon. Yun na nga, this is our first game ng ating doubleheader ngayong Sabado, laban ng Castilla versus Pilar. So I guess this is a very important matchup for tonight's game, for today's game. So wag na natin patagalin pa. Punta na natin si JV Salvidar to start things off. Yes, magandang hapon basketball fans. We're live here at Kasiguran Gymnasium to witness the first game ng ating Saturday special is Castilla versus Pilar. Yun ang opening up the scoring pagdating dito sa Castilla, yung bagong reinforcements nitong Castilla na by the name of Jason Orada.
Alright, wearing the darker shade of green ang Team Pilar with a 3-1 standing and Castilla naman in a white jersey with a 2-2.
Yes, yun na nga. First shot itong Pilar misses. Borbe sa ilalim against sa La Sala. Missing the shot. Aspe grabs the board. Outless dito. Ayan na sa ilalim si Reales. And scores for 2. Grabe partner, as early as first quarter, kita mo kung anong intensity ang pinapakita nitong Jason Orada pagdating dito sa sa Castilla partner.
Tama, and because this is a very special game for both teams.
Yes, ayan na si Borbe. Hesitates, kicks it out dito sa bagong reinforcement din na si Rito, Mac Aquino, the veteran, shooting the 3. And the first points of Pilar courtesy of the veteran na si Mac Aquino.
Grabe. Back and forth scoring right away.
Ayan na si Aspe. What a pass dito sa ilalim kay Jeremy Lasala. And Castilla is on a roll right now. And the score is 6-3 lamang po ng 3 puntos itong mga taga Castilla.
Castilla capitalizing in the paint.
Yes, ayan na si Cardel. Rito wants it at the post. Pero na-deny ang bola. Aquino shooting 3 again. Short, nakuha ni Dazzle ang bola. Ayan na si Dazzle against Cardel. Gives the ball to Ayala. Ayala. Behind the back pass sana nila Sala. Misses. Ayan na si Kevin Laico. Binigay dito kay Cardel. Nabitawan ang bola. But he recovers the ball. Borbe shoots the 3. Short, Jason Orada. Grabs the second rebound. Ayan na si Lasala. And Orada spinning. Fall away jumper. Short. Ayala hesitates the 3. Inches closer. Mendes ang tira. And grabe ang intensity partner. This is just the first quarter and wala pang 4 na minuto ang nawawala dito sa ating laro pero talagang dikdikan. And alam nila kung what is at stake sa larong ito. So talagang dikdikan pa lang as early as first quarter.
Tama partner, no? The gentlemen in white are showing textbook basketball by passing the ball around.
Yes, yan na si Aspe with the slow-mo move. Binigay dito kay Orada. His 4th point of the ball game. Courtesy sa pasa nito na si Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Several assists ang nagawa ni Aspe, no, for the first 3 minutes of this quarter.
Yes, tama kaya na si Pinkstry ito. Rito evading the defenders. Naisahan sana ni Orada itong si Rito but nakakuha ng foul dito kay Ivan Ayala.
Tama, and good defense, no, on the side of Castilla as well as their offense. It was the first attempt made by Team Pilar to attack the paint. They have been shooting from beyond the arc, no, for a while now. And ito yung first attempt, no, by the brave man and the bigger man na si Rito to attack the paint. And it was guarded well. However, no, the whistle was blown and he's now on the charity line.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Rito, who once played in partner sa ating Albay leg and sa Kamsur leg. So talagang hindi siya iba dito sa ating liga. So yun ang kinuha siyang reinforcements itong mga taga-Pilar. Ayan na si Aspe. Shot clock is at 16 against Kevin Laico. Medyo maganda matchup. Ayan na. Reales on the baseline. No good. Mac Aquino grabs his second board of the ball game. Ayan na si Orada sa ilalim, powering his way. His 6th point of the ball game nito.
Castilla came prepared here, partner.
Yes, this team, lamang na po ng 7 puntos itong Castilla, 10-3. Ayan na si Laico. Open at the 3, challenge by Ayala, block again. Ayan na si Rito sa ilalim, operating. No good. And na-foul siya nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe. And right now, partner, meron tayong report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Regine. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Miss Regine.
With a standing of 3-1, Team Pilar anticipated to win this battle game para masecure ang kanilang ikalawang rank sa District 1 ng Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Pero sabi ni Coach Edgar, medyo alanganin ang kanilang laro ngayon, lalo na at 5 ang wala sa kapuno nila, which are Salvacion na na-injury last time. Kung kaya ay nagpapagaling pa sa ngayon, sila Sandrino, Gibao, Sarion at Bahardo na wala rin because of their personal matter. Pero payo ni Coach sa Team Pilar, laban lang. We need to step up para masabayan ang laro ng Team Castilla. Yan ang latest mula dito sa side ng Pilar. Balik sa inyo, Sir Jello at Coach Jan.
Yun na nga, partner. Malaking kawalan ito sa side ng Pilar, partner, dahil itong si Sandrino is one of the leading scorers nitong Pilar, and si Salvacion who anchored at least 2 games, partner, being the best player of the ball game. So talagang malaking kawalan yung mga nabanggit ng ating courtside reporter.
Indeed, but again, no, this is an opportunity for the others to step up as well. So
Yes.
tingnan natin how they will adjust, no, to the missing key players of their team.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And yun na nga, talagang malaking kawalan itong mga players ng Pilar. Pero tingnan natin yun na nga, partner. Minsan nagiging motivation niya ng mga teams and of players to step up talaga in the absence of their leading scorers. And right now, with 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto, Reales shooting 2. Bakit, partner? This guy, number 17, na si Jonel Reales, a very reliable point guard din pagdating dito sa Castilla.
Tama, and well distributed ang score para sa team nila.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And as early as now, wala pa nga score si Aspe, pero si Borbe taking over pagdating dito sa Pilar kasi during the pregame kanina, partner, nilapitan ako nitong si Borbe and sabi niya this is an important ball game. So talagang kailangan nilang ipanalo ang larong ito. Ayan na si Reales missing the shot. Lasala against Aquino. Block by Rito. Mac Aquino. Borbe. Muntik na maagawan ni Dazzle Paul. Ayan na si Laiko. Corner tray. Short. Reales grabs the board. Binigay dito kay Aspe. Aspe banging bodies against the big man. The shot clock is at 13. Lasala swings the ball to Ayala. Lasala attacks. Kicks it out to Reales for 3 again. Kaboom!
Grabe. Very noticeable, partner, no, yung na-mention mo wala pang point si Aspe, pero very important yung role niya, no, as a point guard. Grabe yung court awareness niya, unparalleled.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pero yun si Borbe taking over right now pagdating dito sa Pilar. And mapansin ko ang data, last possession nitong Castilla, 5 players touch the ball. So talagang very important na talagang hanapin nila ang kanilang open teammates.
Tama.
Yan na si Ayala with the fake pass. Aspe is open, swings the ball to Lasala. Lasala is called for steps, partner.
Recalling pa itong jersey number 38 na si Lasala. No, costly mistake there for a turnover.
Yes, we are back. And pinalitan itong si Kevin Laiko in replace with the big guard na si Tabuso. Ayan ang Tabuso attacks against Reales. Bad pass. Ayan na si Orada. Orada powering his way using the left hand and scores 4-2, partner.
Grabe. I also use his body there, no, knowing that there's a disparity among the size,
Yes,
even though there are 2 defenders.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kung sabi nga, pinagpag lang. Yung, so take a look, the replay yun, partner. Dinikdik sa dibdib nitong si number 1 na si Cardel, and he has a chance to complete his 3-point play. Right now, partner, 3 minuto na lang nalabi sa ating first quarter.
Tama, no? And grabe ang action with that 3 minutes remaining.
Ayan na si Cardel, open, corner tray, no good. Nakuha ni Tabuso ang bola. Borbe again for 3. No good, Ayala. Ayan na si Jason Orada. Attacking, flying, and he was blocked partially nitong si Borbe, pero natawagan ng foul si Lloyd Jefferson Borbe.
This Castilla is in the zone right now. No, supposedly the underdog of this game. But mukhang mahirapan itong Pilar to secure their spot on the semifinals.
Tama ka dyan. So mamaya, tingnan natin yung possible scenarios na mangyayari if Castilla wins this ball game, and vice versa din pagdating dito sa Pilar. So tingnan natin. And as we take a look, Jason Orada makes his first free throw sa ating laro.
And he is happy. He's enjoying this game because of his consecutive points made for his team. Tingnan
Yes.
natin.
Tama ka dyan. Jason Orada has now 8 points in the ball. 10 points in the ball game, partner.
Grabe. Big contributor in his team. Isang and yan, for those who are watching at home, don't forget to like and share our live stream. Mapapanood tayo sa different social media platforms. We have our Facebook pages, Ako Bicol Online TV. Napapanood din tayo sa Rep Saldico FB page. We also have Ako Bicol YouTube channel and Ako Bicol TikTok account. So please do follow, like, and subscribe our post. Now, Aspe, heavily guarded.
Ayan na si Aspe. Binigay dito sa ilalim kay Lasala. Grabe partner ang haba. Itong sentro nitong Castilla. And right now Tabuso with another bad pass.
Out of nowhere yung interception doon.
Ayan na si Aspe. Binigay dito sa ilalim kay Orada. Powering his way.
Grabe ang chemistry, Sir Jan, itong Team Castilla.
Yes, especially itong si Jason Orada and si Dazzle Paul Aspe, who once, I guess, teammates dito sa Kamsur Express. So talagang alam nila ang bawat laro ng isa. And especially ito si Dazzle Paul Aspe knows how to pass and locate his teammates.
That is why, no, parang alam na alam ni Aspe kung saan ihuhulog ang bola, no, and right there and then, no, his teammate is there. So grabe ang role awareness nitong Team Castilla. The big man knows what their job is, while the point guard and the other members of the team, no, are good in defending despite relatively bigger itong team pillar sa kanila.
Tama ka dyan, pero si Orada gets his own miss, partner. It's a no-no, partner, kasi alam naman natin talagang nasa free throw shooting sa kanina. So talagang dapat i-box out. And now the score is 23. This is the biggest lead so far. 23-14. Tabuso takes the 3-point bomb, misses the shot. Lotereña grabs another possession pagdating dito sa Pilar. Yan na si Lotereña. Shoots the 3. No good. Aspe controlling the board. What a pass, partner.
Kung titignan mo, partner, walang kahirap-hirap itong mga pasa ni Aspe. Parang
Yes.
tinatamlay pa nga eh.
Ay na si Ayala against. No good. Lasala gives the ball to Aspe. Aspe, his favorite move, partner. And that calls for a ceasefire dito sa Pilar squad because lamang na po ng 13 points itong Castilla, and I guess Pilar should regroup and talk things over.
Tama, that's a pain in the ass, no? As early as first quarter, quite insurmountable na itong kalamangan na na-build ng Castilla. And kung mapapansin mo, very systematic, partner, itong laro ng Castilla as compared to dito sa Pilar na whoever gets the ball will try to attempt it. Pero at least, no, they are able to capitalize on their big mans and their shooters from outside the range. So tingnan natin kung anong adjustments ang gagawin nitong Team Pilar, kasi this Aspe, no, has been controlling the court ever since the very beginning of the first quarter. Ang gaganda ng mga pasa niya, ng ball movements ng team nila. Nakakabuelo talaga itong big man ng Team Castilla. A textbook play for Castilla.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And siyempre ang Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico. And Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurug pa, and so Congressman Jill Bongalon. And siyempre ang ating buting commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Yan na si Milagrosa. 1-on-1 against Orada. Tabuso. Binigay dito kay Aquino against Lasala. Aquino with the fake. Attacking. Aquino with the layup. And he was fouled, and he will troop to the line for 2.
Good start now after the timeout for Team Pilar. Let's see if this will develop into a better run for them, or magpapatuloy ang pagiging dominant nitong Team Castilla as we are about to end our first quarter this game.
Yes, exactly 1 minute remaining sa ating first quarter. Yun na nga, si Aquino must step up pagdating dito sa scoring dahil nga kulang na kulang sila ngayon dahil si Borbe lang at itong si Laiko ang scorers. Yan na si Mac Aquino makes his first third point of the ball game. Yan, we are now in the seconds to play ng ating first quarter. Yan si Aspe directing traffic pagdating dito sa Castilla. Aspe binigay dito kay De La Torre sa gitna, misses the shot, and pinatalbog nitong si Orada sa paa ng mga taga-green. So ang possession mapupunta pa rin dito sa Castilla with 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Let's see if they will be able to make this shot with 27 to 15. Castilla still leading this ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan si De La Torre, inches closer. No good. Aquino grabbing the board. Binigay dito kay Tabuso. Lotereña with a fake. Block by Ayala.
Team Pilar now is improving their ball movements. Makakita na tayo, Sir Jan, ng pasahan